Hey Ryan, Mike here. Alright, so here's a quick video to show you what to do here. First thing you want to do is pull up Google from your desktop or laptop computer, and safest bet right now is just put the business in the search box exactly as everybody kind of thinks it is, which is Kentex Barbecue, and then put the town, right? Shelbyville, Kentucky, KY, right? So do it like that. And then what you're going to get is a bunch of results. Obviously, you see TripAdvisor here. You see Yelp. There's your website. Hopefully, when we're said and done, this will, show up, up here. And be the first thing that pops up when people look at you. Then you got your Zomato. Here's your Facebook page. And there's a lot of, information about your business out here, right? So these are all, what we would call local listings. And I'm just going to show you something here. This one is the most prominent one on Google, because this is your Google listing. And your Google listing is a page that Google creates about your business, whether you want them to or not. And you can see you're looking pretty good, 3.8, almost looks like 4 out of 5 stars, which is great. 16 reviews. And then you see this little button that says claim your business? This is what I meant by you got to do this from inside the store. Okay? So you'd be ready to do this. Be ready to spend a few minutes, all right? So just make sure you got the time. And follow the steps to claim this business. It is pretty straightforward, but you have to do it from inside the store. Okay, what can happen? Either A, they're going to do a phone call. They're going to give you a code you have to enter when you follow the steps. Or B, they're going to say they're going to send you a postcard, which you want to be on the lookout for. So it's basically verification. You have to verify this using a PIN number, because Google doesn't want just anybody to be able to claim this page, if that makes sense. So you can do the same thing, right? Every one of these things, like TripAdvisor, has probably, is this your business? Say prominent, right there. These guys want you to claim this thing. Now, of course, when you claim a listing, you got to be prepared that you might get some sales calls. Especially the Yelp one. You claim this Yelp one, right? See where it says here, claim this business. Just follow the steps. All of them are going to ask you to kind of create an account. I think your email address, password, be ready for that. It's worth the aggravation, man. I promise. Okay, because then this way you can really control the narrative. You can get the right business name. You can put you can add your website to each one of them. Like for instance, these guys have Urban Spoon as your menu. When we're all said and done with your website, you're going to want your website to be there, right? As opposed to Urban Spoon, because that's going to be your, kind of your alpha and omega. Same thing with the rest of these. Facebook obviously is already claimed, but you can go through, this whole first page. Yahoo, maybe. I don't know. Foursquare, maybe. But I would definitely do Google, Yelp, and definitely TripAdvisor. And, see where that takes you to start. Correct this data, and you'll be off to the races. Probably looking at maybe 20 minutes, 30 minutes altogether if you take the time to write the descriptions. To summarize my email that I'm sending you, we're going to need your menu, we're going to need your logo, or I don't know if we're going to create a new logo for you, the deal on that. And we'll also let you know a couple other things that we're going to need, description for your home page and your history, and pretty straightforward from there. All right, Ryan, appreciate working with you.